Yo, I don't really have much to say right now. I have no idea where I'm gonna take this verse. How should I start this? I don't know. I got no plan. Nothing is written down. So being the idiot I am, I'm gonna embarrass myself and express some stupidity. I can't freestyle. I got no flow fluidity. Hear me verbally defecating on the mic. I'm the rapper that can't even get a sympathy like. Yo, I'm fat. I'm a loser and I got no skill. Far from ill, kinda spastic. Ain't got no chill. Still living in the underground and probably always will. Still poor, still a nerd, still clumsily spill about as badass as Butterscotch and Timmy combined. And unlike Hobson, I don't have even close to a nil mind. It's pathetic how far I've come and the little that I have done. I never won, maybe I should just get drunk. I guess I'm done.